Hey everyone. Today we're diving into the recent seismic events in Greece, specifically the powerful 5.1 magnitude earthquake that struck between the islands of Amorgos and Santorini. This earthquake, occurring just before 10 a.m. local time on February 17, 2025, has raised concerns among locals and authorities as seismic activity in the region intensifies. Let's explore what's happening beneath the surface and why it's capturing the attention of scientists, the public, and the Greek government. The quake had its epicenter 21 kilometers southwest of Arcasini, a small town in southern Amorgos, and struck at a depth of 15 kilometers. While no immediate damage or injuries were reported, the tremor was felt across several islands in the Cyclades, particularly Santorini, which is renowned for its active volcanic history. The timing of this earthquake is particularly significant given the high volume of seismic activity recently recorded in the region. Between January 26 and February 13, more than 18,400 quakes were recorded off the Cyclades Islands. That's an astonishing number of tremors, which suggests the region is experiencing heightened tectonic stress. The Aegean Sea, a hotbed of geological activity, is home to multiple underwater volcanic zones, which can cause earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and land displacements. Seismologists are closely monitoring these shifts to understand the risks they pose to the surrounding islands. As a precaution, Amorgos and 3 other nearby islands are under a state of emergency until March 11th. This gives local authorities the ability to respond quickly to any further tremors or aftershocks. The ongoing monitoring is crucial because earthquakes in this region can sometimes be followed by even stronger aftershocks, which could lead to further concerns about safety, property damage, and potential landslides or tsunamis. One of the major concerns for these islands, especially Santorini, is the region's volcanic activity. The island of Santorini sits on the edge of one of the most famous volcanic calderas in the world. Experts have been tracking magma activity beneath the surface, as recent shifts in magma movements could signal the potential for volcanic eruptions or land uplift. Ground displacement on the island is also being carefully observed, as even small shifts could change the stability of the ground and further trigger seismic events. In response to the seismic activity, Greece has announced plans to build a dedicated emergency port on Santorini. This new port will serve as a safe refuge for ships in case of an emergency triggered by a major earthquake or volcanic eruption. Alongside this development, authorities are advising residents of Santorini to evacuate coastal areas and seek higher ground in the event of a large earthquake, particularly as the region continues to experience significant seismic and volcanic stress. As we continue to monitor these developments, it's clear that the Aegean Sea remains a volatile and unpredictable region. With constant seismic activity and the looming threat of volcanic eruption, both residents and authorities must remain vigilant. The scientific community is working tirelessly to better understand the geology of the area, while the Greek government is taking proactive steps to protect both the people and the infrastructure of these beautiful islands. That's it for today's update. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on seismic activity and other geological phenomena. Stay safe, everyone.